In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search Slack. We'll look at an easy and straightforward process that will help you efficiently find the information you need within your Slack workspace. Whether you're new to Slack or just looking to brush up on your search skills, you're in the right place. So let's dive in. Start by opening Slack on your desktop or web browser. If you're already logged in, great. If not, just enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in, look towards the top of the page. You'll notice a search bar prominently placed there. This is your gateway to finding past conversations, files, or even specific people with whom you might need to reconnect. Clicking on the search bar is your first step. Doing so will activate the search mode and allow you to enter the keywords or queries for what you're looking for. It's important to be as specific as possible here. For instance, typing in a user's name or a specific project keyword can significantly refine your search results. Upon entering your search term, press Enter to execute the search. Now let me share a pro tip. You can utilize advanced search modifiers to further narrow down your search results. For instance, if you're looking for messages from a specific person, you can type from username. Similarly, if your interest lies within a particular channel, you might type in channel. These are handy tricks to save time when you're buried under piles of conversation threads or multiple shared files. Slack also allows you to filter your search results to make the process more efficient. After performing a search, you will see options to filter by messages, files, or people located beneath the search bar. Selecting one of these options tailors the search result to show exactly what you're after, be it a text message, a document, or a user profile. Furthermore, you can refine the search even more by applying additional filters like time range or user activity. One additional helpful feature is emoji reactions. You can use the has also a reaction emoji modifier. This is particularly useful when you're looking for messages that have been endorsed or acknowledged by the team using emojis. Imagine searching for has reaction thumbs up to find messages that received a thumbs up. With these steps, searching Slack becomes a speedy, efficient process, enabling you to dive right to what you need without the hassle of manually sifting through each channel or message thread. Great searches are just a smart query away. Happy searching, and I hope this guide helps keep you organized and productive.